How to save your file as PDF in Canva. It's very easy. First of all guys, like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's create a design. I'll just take this one just for the demonstration. Now I want to save this file as a PDF. So click on the share on the right hand side corner. Click on download. Now you can see you can download this in various formats such as print, JPG, PNG and obviously PDF. So click on PDF standard. Now click on download. As you can see my file is downloading and it has downloaded. See, this has saved as a PDF format. Thank you for watching.